Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I am here in Federal Heights, Colorado with Full Send FPV. We're doing some whoop racing today, but also today I just flashed my Cinewhoop over to EmuFlight 2.0. So I'm going to go ahead and fly it and take a look and see how it does. Now keep in mind guys, there is some wind out here, so that will affect the flight. So just want to apologize for that ahead of time, but I'll give you my opinions when we're done. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's my Cinewhoop right there and my Squirt, and it flies actually really good even with the little bit of wind. I did have to fight that just a little bit, but other than that, it's pretty good. And there's a new little switch. I'm not sure, I'm going to have to ask the devs what it is, but there's a new switch called Cinematic Yaw, and I could feel a little bit difference in the yaw, so I'm pretty impressed with it. So if you're on EmuFlight or you're thinking about it, go into that, give it a try. Anyway, thanks guys for tuning in. Thanks for watching my video as always. And while you're waiting for the next one, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day.